you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be washing my hair and be doing a review on this hair scalp massaging brush for shampoo thingy for like when you wash your hair, and it's by the brand Hida, and I got it from Amazon with description. So this is the first time in a while that I'm wearing my real hair. I do need to wash my hair because I have my hair in like little twisties, and I had them in for like 2 weeks, but it feels like 3 weeks. I need to wash my hair. It's pretty, yeah, my hair is pretty dirty and it's pretty greasy. So I'm gonna be washing my hair the same way I did in my wash day video. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the description so you can check it out after this video. So to wash my hair, I'm gonna be using the all natural hydrating soak shampoo, and I'm gonna use the not out conditioner. Yeah, I'm gonna see how those products work on my hair. I don't know what this is, but if you know what this is, let me know in the comment. This comes in with the brush. And this is what the brush looks like. It's black on the outside and it's purple in the inside, and you could get this in different colors. The little bristles, it feels like silicone. I'm ready to my channel. I do beauty and lifestyle video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you watch to the end of the video to see the ending results and how I feel about this little brush. So I put the shampoo in my hair, and now I'm just using the brush and massaging the shampoo into my hair, and it doesn't feel that like rough or anything, but it feels pretty good, and I think it worked pretty good, and it was comfortable to use, and the brush wasn't slipping out of my fingers or whatever. Like, I had a good grip on it, and it works pretty good, I think, and it worked up a good lather and stuff. So it's a pretty good brush, and I do like it, and it feels pretty good on the scalp. But yeah, it's a pretty good brush, and I will give it a 9 out of 10, or a 9 or a 8. But yeah, and it'll probably work if you have like dandruff or something. But yeah. And I did try it with conditioner, and it works pretty good with conditioner and shampoo. So you can use whatever, you can use it for whatever you want. It's your choice. But yeah, it works pretty good with conditioner. So I just washed the shampoo and conditioner out my hair. Like this little massaging brush thingy. Like I said, it is silicone, so it is kind of rough, but so I like it, and I do recommend it. Feels good on your scalp, on my scalp. So I do recommend using a hair scalp massaging brush. Nothing wrong with using your hands, but if you don't like using your hands, you can use the brush, or if you do buy the brush and you try it out and you don't like it, then you could use your hands. And it's also good if you wash your hair and your hair is like itching and stuff. And I'd rather use my hands, but I might use the brush often. And the brush fits cut like between your hands and stuff. It feels like comfortable. It's not rough or anything, and it's easy to use it. It gets into your scalp and it's comfortable to use, and I probably will use it again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like down below, leave a comment. See you guys in my next video.